This is Shelley Kohut with Remax ACA, and I want to show you my latest listing up here in Eagle Hill, a nice little farm and ranch community. So this small acreage has been nicely set up with a 1,520 square foot modular home and a gorgeous double attached garage. Lovely landscaping with all the spruce trees, newly seeded grass. The gravel driveway has a nice turnaround for easy access in and out of the property. We have asphalt shingles with a vinyl clad home, a nice large full-length deck, metal railing, there's a drilled well and a septic tank and field system. And we're going to go into the house, and we're going to start here in the garage. And this is all newly seeded. So let's step in. You're going to love this garage. Nice high ceilings, 10-foot doors, electrical panel, and a nice landing allowing entry into the house from the garage or from the outside deck. This garage is brand new. It's never even been drove in. Look at those beautiful finished floors. So you got lots of room for 2 vehicles, extra room for a work area if you wanted. Now we'll go into the house. We're coming in through the back entry, which is a nice sizable room, which has hookups for your laundry, a freezer, closet space with your pressure tank, and the hot water tank access. Just off the door is a 2-piece bath. So if you're working outside, you don't have to go through the house to use the washroom. To the left here is the master bedroom. Now this is a king-size room. You could put a king-size bed here on either wall. We have a walk-in closet here. And a full 4-piece ensuite. The rain shower. And a nice oval garden tub. This bedroom is kept separate from the other bedrooms and is divided with the living room and the kitchen. The kitchen starts with this lovely, huge pantry. There's approximately 4 by 5 feet, 20 square feet of pantry space. Nice neutral colors. We have patio door to the deck. Nice open floor plan. The picture window opens for ventilation. And we have this amazing kitchen. Beautiful chocolate brown cupboards. Lots and lots of counter space. Whirlpool appliances throughout. Island with storage and an area for a breakfast bar if you so desire. Just slide some stools up there. A nice spacious eating area. And the carpet is in excellent condition, as is the whole house. It's been extremely well looked after. Nicely maintained. It's a 2000 SRI modular home built in Lethbridge for Alberta winters. Here's the 4-piece main bathroom. Another good-sized bedroom. Closet area. And a third bedroom with a nice deep closet. Lots of area for storage. So this little gorgeous acreage is priced at $429.9. Is got highway access or paved access to Olds, Bowden, or Sundre. You're very close to the co-op here, so you have access to gas, groceries. There's also a community hall, baseball diamonds, and a curling rink just around the corner. So if you'd like to see this home for yourself, just give me a call on my cell at 403-636-1111 or visit my website at www.listforyou.net. That's LIST, the number 4, the letter U.net. Thank you and have a great day.